Amen. Okay, again, good morning class. Today, we will be discussing about constructivism and inquiry learning. But before we start, let's sing first a very happy song called The More We Get Together. So this song, it is all about how we feel happy when we are kind and friendly to each other. So let's listen carefully, sing loudly, and have fun together. So are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start.
Rock and learn!
Magkanta kung mag-clap ka, okay?
The more we gather together, the more we get together, the more we gather together, the more we get together, our friends are my friends, my friends are your friends, the more we get together, the happier we'll be.
So, great job everyone! Grabe ka naman dito pag mga acting magkanta kung mga bells. But always remember class that this song reminds us that when we are kind and share with each other, we can be very happy. So let's keep being a good friends and singing more songs together. Okay?
Okay.
So now, so today, we will explore about how students learn best by actively discovering and asking questions. So this approach is called constructivism, which means students build their own understanding through hands-on activities and exploration. Example, isa ka teacher na naghatag og activities sa iyang students. Naghatag siya og any kinds of eggs and then iyang ipa-identify sa iyang students kung asa ang fake o real ato ng egg. So instead na ihatag ni teacher ang answer, the teacher let the students to discover the answer on their own. So, because of that process, na-learn sa students kung asa ang fake ato nga egg o real na egg by through discovering the answers on their own. So, muna ang constructivism. Maka-learn ang bata through hands-on activities and exploration. Na-gets ba ka ng class?
Yes, teacher.
Next, so now we have two famous theories about constructivism, which is Kang Jean Piaget and Kang Lev-Vygotsky. So first, Kang Jean Piaget sata. Ang Kang Jean Piaget, he believed that the children learn by exploring and playing, and they develop understanding stage. So example, isa ka bata nga nag-play about ganian ng shapes, nakadula na mo ana about any kind of shapes.
Yes.
Okay. And then, ang bata is nag-hold siya of rectangle na shapes. And then, iya itong i-try or i-fit sa square na shape. Tinatinga siya, manong pili man mag-fit ang rectangle sa square na shapes. So, sa ikapila niya nga pag-try, na-discover niya nga ay, dapat di ay, kung unsa nga shape ang akong lawidan, mausag na shape ang akong isuglan sa akong lawidan na shape. So by that, naka-learn ang bata through exploring and playing. So muna ang Kang Jean Piaget. Nasaktan ba?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Next is Kang Lev-Vygotsky naman ta. Kang Lev-Vygotsky, he believed the importance of social interaction and guidance from others in learning. Example, isa ka bata na gusto nga makabalo kung saan paghigot sa lace siyang sapatos. So because of the help of her or his parents, itulo sa iyang parents kung saan process sa paghigot sa lace. So by that, naka-learn ang bata kung kabalo na siya maghigot sa lace sa iyang sapatos na siya na. So So, mo na ang kang Levi Gotsky. He believed na ang bata is maka-learn through the guidance or support from the others. So, nasaktan ba ninyo?
Yes, teacher!
Sa ganito kang kuan, Jen Piaget? Kinsay maka-answer? Kung sa kung Jen Piaget? Anyone? Wala? Okay, Miss Piscador. Sa ganito,
From John Piaget, he believes that maka-learn ang isang kabata through exploring or playing.
Very good! Tama itong class, di ba?
Hey, lollipop!
So, kinsa na po'y maka-identify kang Levi Gotsky? Miss Bruno? Maka-learn ang Oh, very good! Tama po sa class, okay? So, nagsakta na rin ninyo kung saan kalimihan kang Jen Piaget o kang Levi Gotsky? So now, what are the eyes? And also, we look at inquiry learning, which means students learn by investigating problems and finding answers on their own. So, example, may isa ka students yung na-curious gani about how the magnets work. So instead na mag-research ang katong bata or magbasa sa libro about magnets, ang iyang gibuhat is he-do experiment. So, nag-collect siya of any objects na pwede magamit sa, na possible magamit sa magnets. And because of that experiment, tungod sa iyang pag-experiment, na-discover niya nga ay mag-work day ang magnet through metal or kanang sa, kanang yung mga seed gani, ana, or kanang, kabantay mo ng mga batong gagmay gani. Gagmay gani nga nasagol siya sa buhangin. Sin tawag ana class, kabalo mo ana? Tamo na siya class. Gagmay nga, bato nga nasagol sa buhangin. So by that, mo nang sa inquiry learning, maka-learn ang bata through finding answers on their own. Nasaktan ba?
Yes, teacher!
So, kinsay gusto nga kinsay na experience kaya about magnets? Pwede, ikaw, Lizelle? Naka-experience about magnets? O sige, ikaw, Andrea?
I still vividly recall that when I was in elementary, we have this speaker, and then it was already guba na, tapos open ako na I want them, and what I always try to do is that I play the magnet and try to put it like this, and then sorry! They automatically,
Okay, thank you for that, Miss Angela. So, in that simple, di ba, pag nandiyo tayo, sometimes, kung tayo nag-curious ka nito, para lang di ba, wala na kung saan din ang tama or kung saan kung ano is, and sometimes, sinabuhat natin is nag-experiment na, ay, siguro, mag-puhat kaya ako kaya nag-try, kaya nag-puhan ng joke. So, nasaktan ba ninyo? Yes! So now ako ipakita sa inyo mga pictures. So, saan yung nakita sa pictures? Or garden. So, who have a garden in their house? Lisa! Pwede ba ninyo mga ma-share kung sa mga plans na ginatanong sa inyong parents? Kinsay gusto nga mag-answer, mag-share sa ilang buwan?
Marijuana!
Kinsay gusto? Okay? Ayan. Pwede din mo ma-share kung sa ang kinds ng plants na ginatanong sa inyong parents?
Actually, ang kita na ito mga kulay,
Yes.
which is ka ng mga bato, talong, pati ka mga
Oh, tama to siya, no? Thank you. Tama to siya, no? Ang kasagaran ko lang tanong sa atong garden is plants, veggies, and also flowers. But, have you ever wondered, class, why do you think the plants need to grow tall and healthy? What do you think these plants need to stay alive? So para mas masaktan ninyo, is we will having an observation or experiment. So I will group you into 4 groups. So this row is 1, this row is group 2, this row is group 3, and this row is group 4. So each group is maka-receive of 1 plant. So ang sa group 1 is ang inyong mag-get is plant na only na maka-get lang of water. Wala sunlight or saba. And then sa group 2 is ang inyong plant is ang mag-get lang is only sunlight. And also, ang sa group 3 is ang inyong plant is ang mag-get niya is sunlight and water. And lastly, sa group 4, ang inyong plant is ang mag-get is wala yun, is water or sunlight. So inyong i-observe or inyong i-observe niyo ba kung saan possible na dito ang mga plants is more na siya mag-get. And then, I only give you 5 minutes to observe and also para ikaw yung mga idea kung saan possible ano yung plant. And then, pag umasa 5 minutes is, we will be playing a kicking game. So mag-pick to, dili ako game. Then kung kita ito mabunutan, kung asa ka mag-go, ikaw mag-present mo yung observation about anong plant. Ready na ba kung lahat? Okay, start na.
Idea lighting.
Kung saan possible na magtabo ka ng plants, so all na yung nag-get. So expect nyo, ready na ba po, class? Yes, teacher! Okay! Tanong kayo, kung ako mag-pick, kung asa kung ikaw ang mag-stay kung sa yes, so, ang first is si Ibanez. Okay, Ibanez.
Ay, hindi na agad yung magandang tumigay wala yung sugay.
Na may
We
si
all
Rusty.
know that plants are
Tapan.
very helpful to us. It will help us na maka-breathe na kasi naman nag-produce of oxygen. Pero, ano yung mga upuan, plant na ginagbigo ito dead na siya kay wala siya sun, which is motong puan itong night photosynthesis process na makatag of nutrients sa plants. And also, really pagkakuli ang plants yung wala yung water. Kanya kanya mo pinilitan niya, wala na siya water or sun. So, probably, mamatay din ang plant. So, doon tayo tayo
Yes! Tama to siya, class, no? Thank you, Ibanez. Ay, ang plants, kung hindi siya makuha ng sunlight and water, of course, ang plant is mag-stop siya overall. And then, possible na mamatay din siya. Right? Nung lagi, wala siya makakuha bisan water o sunlight. Because, you know, class, ang water is to give energy para magkuha ng nutrients, while ang sunlight is to produce energy also para mag-produce of food. So, it is really important John nga ang plants John nato is dapat nga na-add siya water and sunlight to support or to make their para mabuhi ang plants. Nasabtan ba ninyo, class?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So next, balaba. Ay, isa ang water lang
So, if water lang iyang makuha is, hindi na po siya makasurvive because kulang siya itong sunlight mo, carbon dioxide. So, walay hindi ko po ang process lang kung
So, yes, tama na siya. Pagpakinig ka. Tama niyang sinuno, gamit ang water after ang plant is ang material niya is only water. Of course, sa pinakauna is mabuhi siya. But because wala siya sunlight na ma-receive, of course, need to show sunlight to produce energy for food production. So, importante din kayo nga nice sunlight ug water ang plant. Nasabtan ba, class? Yes. So, next is Cervantes. Group 1 na siya. So, group 1 na siya. Ito naman C. Generales.
Plants without water and without water, without sun is mamatay siya ang sun. Kahit ang kuhan, ang plant, hindi siya ang sun and water, which is ang katuloy because yes, ang sun is ang light source and hindi ang water, hindi ko na siya healthy as na ang plants o photosynthesis. So without water, mamatay siya ang
Yes, thank you. Tama na siya, class mo, na if ang plant is naatuon siya sunlight, pero wala siya water, of course, hindi dyan makasurvive ang plant. So, mga to siya, mamamatay din siya kadugayan. Saktan ba rin yung class?
Yes, teacher!
Okay pa ba mo?
Yes!
Okay. Last group na lang tayo, okay?
Yes!
Tayo.
Manaman si Barunday. Diba? Okay, si Yun! Ikaw, Yun!
Asikan siguro.
Kung sa mayang possible na makikinabuhan, bibig mo na ilang paket.
So as you can see, everyone, that our plant is healthy. Is it because nakakuha siya og sakto nga sunlight o proper na paghatag og tubig. Ano, teacher?
Tama na siya, class, no? Na if ang plant is makareceive of water o sunlight, of course, mag-expect na kita nga mabuhay dun ang plant. Saktan ba niyo, class? Yes, teacher! So, katong i-discuss is about unsa ang live sa plant. So, it is important na ang plant is ma-receive iyang iyang needs, which is the water, sunlight, air, and soil to survive. So, pag wala ni, of course, dili din sila mag-survive, okay? Nasaktan ba, class? Yes! Dugangan natin yung knowledge about sa needs of plants, we will having an activity. Same group naghapon, no? So, this activity is called who needs what? Or matching plants with their needs. Same group naghapon siya, class, okay? So, I have here a picture, and then kung sa mga plant, kung inyong na-receive, isa inyong i-guess kung saan possible needs ang plant. Okay, nag-guess ba ninyo? Okay, ready na ba mo?
Yes.
Okay, ready? So, here's the group 1, group 2,
Ma'am, sagot.
group 3, and group 4. And then, pag gumawa nyo, ay, kaya, kapag sa mga yes, kung saan possible na needs, S3 at hindi ang plan, hindi mo na possible na needs, ano ba? So, i-guess lang ninyo mga kawal mag-research. I-guess lang ninyo kung saan possible na needs, ano. So, tingnan sa group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Ready na ba? Your teacher, ha?
Ibang dapat teacher, wala lagi. Pangalos. Wala. Ibang dapat. Ibang dapat.
Sunflower. Di ba siya So now, ano mas magalang nato, tama ba yung kitang kung ammonia ilang kasi na needs? And needs is every group has a statistic say, ano ba naman yung sige? Okay, mag-start ka sa group 1. Okay, so
Kaya kata sa video.
Good morning! Okay, so, the plant na naget na mo kay ang sunflower. And we believe that the sunflower needs plenty of sunlight, less water, and well-drained soil.
Katos.
Okay, thank you for that. So, again, okay. So, karon is asking check kung tama ba yung ilang answer na mo yung kasubukan sa sunflower. So, here is food production and strong growth, while ang built-rich soil to ensure healthy growth and proper water and nutrient supply for optimal growth. Sinasagot ba ninyo, class? Yes, teacher! Okay, so next is the group 2 naman. Kinsa may gusto? Okay, si Villarin.
This grass needs sunlight, well-drained soil, and less water.
Okay, thank you for that. So, karon, ako masagin siya kung kakaulit ang answer. So, ang crops is nasa ito nga needs, which is the sunlight and the water. Asa mo ng water dire?
Water.
So, because the grass is requires sunlight for food production and water remains its softness and strength. Sa grass,
Oh.
okay, nasa na po niya check, okay? So, next is cooking. 1%. Okay. Isa si Balanduca.
Yay! I'm so proud of you. Wala kaya?
Ang wala cancel.
Need po sa cactus water.
Hoy, sakto man na. Waterless. Less of water. May nakabutan dira. Sakto man na, monster.
Sa mga daw, okay, hindi ba? Check kung tama ba sila answer. So, ang cactus is na ay duha ka needs sa gihapon. Less water and less of sunlight. So, wala sila less of water sa tambunan.
Hoy, less of water man na.
Wala ilang tambunan ng water. Water ng answer. So, ang cactus, yan ang feedback sa cactus ko, lots of sunlight and less of water. Because cactus requires less water due to self-storage and can survive in hot, dry lakes.
Gipulian na ito yung less of water.
Sunlight for food production is excited and right. Yes, teacher. Okay, thank you.
Ano sa Mandria?
So last group, 1%. Kinsa may gusto luban? Sarap luban. Asa ang constructivism ato sa conversions. Okay, very good. Tama ko siya class, ano? Milon? Tama ko siya, no? Na ang constructivism ato is na tulad si teachers ay yuha of hands-on activities and instead na ihatag si teacher ang answer, I let you to discover the answer on your own. Sumunod mo ang constructivism ato. So next, kinsay maka-identify asa ang inquiry learning ato. Kinsa may mo kuan? Kinsay mo answer? Anyone? Hands up po! Anyone? Say gusto mo answer. Wala ba yung tamang answer?
Wala ito.
Wala. Okay, si Yota Lorena. Asa man ang pinili ni Ate Sumbibuha? Yes, tawag niyang answer no? Ang pangalan ko So, ang inquiry learning ato is that daw may hatag ko sa inyo kapag ihatag ako sa inyo ang plans, sige nyo ang i-observe kung saan possible ka nang imita sa plans. So, mo ko siya ang inquiry learning, discover ninyo ang answer through exploring and also investigating. So, nasabtan ba ninyo class? Yes, teacher! Nasabtan ba ninyo kung saan constructivism and inquiry learning? Yes, teacher! So, karon, para mabala ni teacher kung na-learn sa discussion is we will have a short quiz. At in short quiz na din siya class. 10 items lang din siya, okay? So, ang atong buhaton is we will having a quiz bowl. So, muna ka ito itong mo nila teacher Ross, teacher Eva, and also teacher Roxy sa ilang kung pagkinang pag-klase sa inyo, ha? So, nakabalo naman mo sa quiz bowl, right? Yes, teacher! Okay, same, gagapon siya mag-group. So, kani, wala dili gapon siya kaunhanay. Kung kinsa lang ang tama nga, kinsa lang ang tama, may kuwan, then natay, or every correct yung answer is atong ibutang dito. So, kinsa ang grupo nga mataon, of course, yung lahat. Tama ang taon. Okay, mag-start na? Yes, teacher! Okay, si teacher lang ang magbasa, okay? So, dapat hino ang kanan para maglutan ninyo, para masaktan ninyo. So, basahon lang na ako ang question, twice na John, okay? Yes, teacher! Tayo lang mo. So, mag-start na ka. Hilong na ka, okay? Para madugay ninyo si teacher. Nasaktan ba ninyo? Yes, teacher! Okay, mag-start na ka. Number 1. What is the term for the approach where students build their own understanding through hands-on activities and exploration? Ay, wait lang di ay. Bawal mong cheat ha, because kabalo mo kung saan cheat, di ba? Tama ba siya o mali?
Tama!
Nanong dili man gusto ni teacher na magtanaw mo sa inyong notes. Because para mabala ni teacher kung na-opportunity nila learn sa discussion. Okay na ba? Yes! Okay, again, basahon na po ang question, okay? Number 1, what is the term for the approach for students build their own understanding through hands-on activities and exploration? Mali ko na po. Number 1, what is the term for the approach for students build their understanding through hands-on activities and exploration? A. Inquiry learning. B. Constructivism. C. Direct instruction. And D. Memorization. A. Inquiry learning. B. Constructivism. C. Direct instruction. And D. Memorization. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Pass! Yes, tanan sila is tama! So next naman, which theorists believe that children learn by storing and studying and that understand develop in stages. Again, which theorists believe that children learn by storing and studying and that understanding develops in stages. Okay, lead by Bonsky, B. Jeff Piaget, C. Maria Montessori, and D.F. Skinner.
Piyagit ka karon.
Lead by Bonsky, B. Jeff Piaget, C. Maria Montessori, and D.F. Skinner. 1, 2, 3, videos. D. Social interaction and guidance from others. C. Repeating facts. And D. Solo study. A. Watching videos. B. Social interaction and guidance from others. C. Repeating facts. And D. Solo study. Ready na ba? Yes! Okay, 1, 2, 3, taas! Yay! Okay, tama mo tanan. Okay, number 4. In inquiry learning, students learn by, number 4, in inquiry learning, the students learn by A. Listening to lectures. B. Investigating problems and finding answers on their own. C. Watching demonstrations only. And D. Taking multiple choice tests. A. Listening to lectures. B. Investigating problems and finding answers on their own. C. Watching demonstrations only. And D. Taking multiple choice tests. 1, 2, 3, hands up. Okay, tamang tanan. Clap for one. Okay, let's proceed to number 5. In the plants underneath activity, what is the purpose of giving some plants only and water only sunlight? Okay,
Ano ka tagay lollipop?
in the plants underneath activity, what is the purpose of giving some plants only water and others only sunlight? Okay. To see which plants looks the best. B. To investigate what plants need to grow. C. To test plants to grow through soil. And D. To decorate the classroom. Okay, balik na ako. A. To see which plants looks the best. B. To investigate what plants need to grow. C. To test if plants can grow without soil. And D. To decorate the classroom.
Di na siya.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, taas. Okay, tama tanan. Kaya sa bagan. So, sila po sa number 6. Number 6. Why do you ask students questions like, why do some plants grow taller? During discussion, nahong nag-ask man si teacher, why do some plants grow taller than others? Yes ba? Yes. Okay. A. To test their math skills. B. To help them think about what affects plants growth. C. To teach them how to write stories. And D. To see if they remember the teacher's name.
Di na siya. Di.
Yes na? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Bobby!
Okay. Hindi na lang sa tama.
Sama ni si teacher,
Okay. Okay. Number 7 naman ta.
Min?
Ay, number 8. Number 7. In the plant underneath activity, what might happen if a plant gets only water and no sunlight? A. It will grow taller than others. B. It might not grow well or at all. C. It will turn into a flower. D. It will need less water. Okay na? Okay. One, two, three, taas. Yes, tama ang tanan. Yay! Okay, tuloy na lang class, okay? Okay, number 8. Which of these is an example of constructivism? A. A teacher gives students all the answers. B. Students learn by doing activities and thinking about what they need. C. Students only listen to the teacher talk. And D. Again, students watch a movie without talking. Tama na ba? Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, taas. Okay, tama ka na. Okay, number 9. What is an example of inquiry learning? A. Students ask questions and find answer by exploring. B. Students memorize facts without question. C. Students sit quietly and listen all day. D. Students only copy notes from the board. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wrong ang room. B. The answer is A.
Hoy, correct pa. Sabi na naka-adjust.
Okay, number 10. Last number. Which activity shows inquiry learning? A. Students watch a movie about animals. B. Students listen to a story. C. Students test different types of soil to see which of plants grow together. And D. Students color pictures of flowers. 1, 2, 3, taas. Okay, tama ang tanan. Yay! Okay, so ang group 1 and group 2 and group 4 is now perfect. And then ang group 3 is only na 9 correct. So, clap. Okay. So, welcome everyone. approach based on constructivism and inquiry learning makes learning fun, meaningful, and helps students to think better. So, when students discover answers and develop a love for learning that can last a lifetime. So, I hope to know na nadyan mo na-learn sa discussion ni teacher. And also, I hope na kanang inyong na-learn taro, tapos magamit na ninyo in the future. So more na tong discussion ni teacher, okay? So once again, I'm your teacher May, and I will end my discussion with a quote. Show me a plan, and I plan. Teach me about